going in.
Where did it go?
Went underneath the waterfall.
Are you okay?
It went under the waterfall?
Yep.
Oh, I see it. Okay,
I think you're just gonna have to go for it, Mike.
I say go for it.
Oh, it's only hip deep there. I think you've been wetter. Yeah.
Oh, you lose your tobacco. It's all right.
Don't kill yourself, Mike.
I'm just seeing if it'll work.
Maybe we can float on it.